I've got something from Santo Niño Kitchen. Santo Niño Kitchen is known for their roasted Angus beef belly. And whoa, I really like their packaging ha. It's like you haven't opened it yet pero Instagrammable na kayo siya. And we have to agree if ever it is picture perfect as in mas ganahan yun dayon kamukhaon. They are also known for their gravy that comes with the beef belly. And I really like the packaging. It is really sealed nga wala dyan mayabo or wala spills. You can have this roasted Angus beef belly for 785 pesos for 500 grams or 1,500 for 1 kilogram. It comes with roasted potatoes and carrots too, plus this rosemary to complete our roasted beef belly experience. And this gravy in which they considered as a liquid gold for it is perfect for rice, roast, or mashed potatoes. And let's not wait any longer. So ato nang tilawan, 2 slices lang sa plus the veggies kaya para mas perfect and balanced of course. And also let us not forget the gravy in which they take pride of kay lami gyud kuno kaayo. The beef belly is so tender that it is easy to slice, and I think this is the beef belly that would literally melt in our mouth. Ngaon ta guys. It is really so juicy and so tender. Let's not forget our vegetables. The potatoes and the carrots are perfectly roasted too. Further, just message the official social media accounts of Santo Niño Chicken in Instagram and in Facebook. Make it sure to order ahead as they only deliver during weekends. And don't forget to brush your teeth after eating and to follow me in all my social media accounts, and please continue to stay safe and just keep smiling.